So welcome to the C Myth Masterclass, the client's myth masterclass. Okay, you guys are chasing a myth, a lie, which they have told you. Nowadays there are so many people online. They are running ads to teach you how to get more clients digitally online. But it is not simply. It's not true. Like getting more clients online will not solve your money making problem. If you close more clients online, that doesn't mean that you will make more money. So in this masterclass, I will break this myth of getting more clients and getting more money, and what to do to make more money online. Okay, so instead of getting clients online, how will you make more money, like 3 lakh, 5 lakh or up to 10 lakh rupees per month easily? Okay, let's go ahead. So what you will learn in this masterclass: the biggest myth of running after clients and more clients as a freelancer or agency owner, the myth of charging high ticket prices, why you need only 5 clients to make up to 3 to 10 lakh rupees a month, the scary reality of focusing on more clients, the harsh reality: more clients will never give you progress, you will keep stuck in a loophole, the 3 principles to get clients. So what everyone is teaching you, absolutely wrong. I don't know why they are lying, or it's just a selling trick of theirs, and that is why you guys are chasing a myth. What is this myth we are talking about? What is C myth? It is this, that you will make more money if you close more clients. More clients is equal to more money. It is not simply true. It is not true at all. And I am telling you from my last 4 to 5 years of experience working as a funnel builder, working as a I started to write. Like, first of all, my first work was only one skill, and that was copywriting. Then from copywriting I came to funnel building. Then from funnel building I came to Facebook ads, then whole advertising, then proper digital product launch. Okay, so this is my journey from in last 4 to 5 years as a funnel builder or as an internet marketer. So I help people to launch their digital products online. I have done work with Indian clients more than foreign clients. Okay, so the scary reality is this, guys, that they tell you that if you get more clients you will make more money. However, my experience says that 99% the war is about producing massive sales results. Yes, massive sales result. See, business is war. Business is war. You please remember this quote always. Business is war. So the client problem, like getting client, this problem is only 1% of the equation. 99% of the equation talks about how to get massive sales results. So क्लाइंट तो आ ही जाएंगे और आ ही जाते हैं. क्लाइंट को क्लोज करना इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है. बड़ी बात यह है कि मैसिव सेल्स रिजल्ट्स जो आप उनको प्रॉमिस करते हो, क्या वो हो पाता है कि या नहीं हो पाता है. दैट इज द मेन इशू. ओके, सो आगे चलते हैं. लेट्स गो अहेड. So major problems after running clients, like if you are chasing clients, what are the major problems? So the number one problem, it's again like a rat race. It's not a mindset of a businessman, but rather it's a mindset of labor. Okay, so you keep running after clients, you keep completing their work, and at the end of the day you are working like a labor. Okay, there is no real freedom in it. It's like a rat race, close more clients, get money and go away. Okay, so if you are a graphic designer, video editor, copywriter, content writer, client le lu, close client, give their money, complete their work and just go away. It's I'm not saying that your skill is not that much great, but I am saying you must be great in your skill, but it's a major problem. It's like a rat race. The loser freelance model. What is this loser freelance model? That deliver work, get payment and go away. That deliver work, get payment and go away. Then repeat work, get payment, go away. You are just rounding and rounding, working day and night. You are a labor. You are not an entrepreneur. You did not start your online business to work like a loser, to work like a freelancer. Sorry to use harsh words. I don't want to use, but that's the harsh reality. What can I do about it? Major problem number 3. You wanted freedom. Is there any? So whenever someone starts an online business, he always thinks, oh, now I don't have to go to office. I don't have a boss. I don't have a manager. I don't have to put my attendance. I don't wait for my salary. Well, that's all that's all true. When you work online completely from your home, you get this freedom. But is there really any freedom? Is there really any freedom in clients? Like even if you are getting clients automatically, are you still free? No, you are not. Actually, you are in a self-employed job, and this job is worse than the job which you will do outside, which you would do outside. Like if you are going to an office and they are paying you 50,000 rupees per month, and you just work there from 10 to 5, and you go there only 5 days in a week, you get 2 holidays in a week, and you don't have to work after 5 or 6. You don't have to think always about working 24 hours. But when you work from home or as a freelancer, you keep working 24 hours. You don't know is this day or is this night. You work more than 16 hours, 14 hours a day. I know freelancers because I have been one. And you become workaholic, and you close so many clients at the same time, because in the back of your mind you always think that you will do the work, and you also do the work. Sometimes you complete their work in 2 months, in 1 month, but you don't have really freedom. The only freedom you have that you don't have to go to office, but your mind is never free. You are always surrounded by the dark clouds of completing the work, because you think, oh, I have so many clients, I have so many work. If I do all their work, then I will make more money. It's simply like a rickshaw wala. If rickshaw wala thinks that if I get like 20 passengers or 50 passengers, I will make more money. The rickshaw wala is delivering passengers and you are delivering work. That's the only difference. There's no any much difference between you and between that guy. Okay. Major problem number 4. The another big myth in the market, charging high ticket prices. Oh ho, मैं बता नहीं सकता हूँ. Oh ho, like they are running ads. Become a high ticket entrepreneur. Close high ticket clients. Become a high ticket person. Oh ho, and you think, wow, मजा आ गया. Now I have become a high ticket entrepreneur, and I will charge high. I will charge high. Oh ho. I will charge high ticket. Why I'm laughing? This drama of charging high ticket is like a Rajpal Yadav trying to become Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, see, I have seen so many graphic designers. Let me tell you the fact. I am revealing a big secret here. Those who charge nominal prices for their graphics, like 200 rupees per prices or 300 rupees per prices or 400 rupees. So there are 2 persons whom I know, like one is from Bihar, one is from UP. They both deliver their work good, and me, my friend Umer Qureshi and several others like Abhid Upadhyay, or there are many more. We provide them work, they complete on the time, and their graphic work is absolutely beautiful, to the point, which we want, or which our clients work, which our work demand. I know several graphic designers, from Mumbai, Delhi. उन्होंने ड्रामा कर लिया, हम तो हाई टिकट चार्ज करते हैं. तो बकवास क्वेश्चंस, दे आस्क बकवास क्वेश्चंस, बिकॉज उन्होंने किसी फालतू गुरु को फॉलो कर लिया है जो उनको हाई टिकट का भांडा फोड़ रहा है उनके अंदर. तो एक ग्राफिक डिजाइनर मुझसे पूछ रहा है कि ओके, सो व्हाट आर यू सेलिंग, टेल मी द प्रोडक्ट, व्हाट इज द प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट विच यू आर सेलिंग, ओनली देन आई विल बी एबल टू मेक द ग्राफिक. ओ हो. मतलब nonsensical questions. Yes, it is true. If a graphic designer knows the details of my product, he will be able to make a good graphic easily. I am not denying the fact. I am not saying that you don't have to provide details to a graphic designer. What I am saying is that whatever graphic designer do, he will not be able to increase my sale, even one single sale. No graphic designer can help me to increase my one single sale. He can only help me to look better, to look my website better. Oh, my website can be good, my mockups can be good, but graphic designer, video editor cannot help me to increase my sales. And you will see the reason in the next few slides. Be here, please. So, if you are in starting phase of freelancing or you are in agency business, if you do not have at least 5 massively successful case studies, if you do not have at least 5 massively successful case studies, then it will be very difficult for you to charge high ticket prices. If you do not have 5 high ticket case studies or 5 successful case studies, how would you close high ticket clients? So high ticket का रट्टा लगाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You have to become great at your work, and then you have to also increase the dimension of your work, which I will tell right now. So there is this big myth: if you cannot increase the sales, you are not in the money revenue business, you are simply a laborer. Now the biggest problem is that if you are selling services that give you monthly fixed payments or one time pay, then you are not in business. Technically you are in a self-employed job. So the root cause of all this freelancing model, of this high ticket model, clients model, the client Smith model, is that you are not a rainmaker. The problem is that the root cause of all this client myth problem is that you are not a rainmaker. That is why you are never free. You cannot make 10 lakh rupees per month. You are not a rainmaker, and that is why you will never be able to make money such as 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs or 10 lakh rupees per month, even if you are great at your skill, because you will stuck only in working with clients. See, there are so many business activities like checking emails, writing copy, creating FB ads. There are so many business activities. But let me ask you a question. What is the most important business activity, or what are the revenue producing activities, money producing activities, sales producing activities? You will have to move forward to those activities which provide more money in a business. There are several ways to get paid. Like you get paid one time, you get paid monthly, per product sale, monthly per share in profits. So if you have to make more money, so if you are in this model, then you will never be able to make 10 lakh rupees per month or 5 lakh rupees, like you will never make money. Monthly pay is better than the one time pay, but obviously you will never be free, and you will never be able to scale. Better than monthly pay is the per product sell. Like if you help someone to sell like let's say 100 products of 100 rupees, of let's say 1000 rupees, it becomes 1 lakh rupees. He gives you 10%, then you make 10,000 rupees. Okay, better than. Then there is monthly and plus share in profits. Here you become a complete businessman. You take the ownership, you take the responsibility of increasing the sales. Here you provide the work and you just pay. You just don't get paid monthly or one time. You just get paid per product. Here you get paid monthly, and here you get paid one time. So better than these three models, best model is this. So you have to move from all these three models to this model. Now this is the skill and money triangle. This is the skill and the money triangle. See here, there are so many business activities, as I have told you. There are so many business activities in a business. So like if you are a graphic designer, video editor, website builder, landing page designer, graphic designer, you are here. You are in the like bottom part of in a technical activities. Like you are a technical person, you are a tech person. There is no doubt. I am not saying that you are not a good graphic designer or video editor or website designer. You may be the best graphic designer or video editor in the world, but simply that doesn't mean that you will become rich or you will make more and more money. Okay, the money is here decent. Then you move forward. Then come these operational activities, and these operation persons, they help their entrepreneurs or their bosses or their product owners to perform all the activities which they want them to perform. So an operational guy, he maintains the like Facebook ad account or YouTube ads. He runs the ads, he write ad copies, he does the copywriting, he does the email marketing and automation. But big money is here in the lead activities, and the lead activities is the product creation, offer building, funnel hacking, sales and marketing, recording or coming up with great ads. So if you want to make more money, you have to go from tech person to lead person. You have to become an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur, you have to become a owner of a business. You have to become an owner of a business which has a system. आपको एक ऐसे बिजनेस का ओनर बनना है जो बिजनेस आपको खुद पैसे कमा के देता है, जहां पे आपको केवल आपके टेक्निकल अमाउंट का पैसा नहीं मिलता है, वो बिजनेस अपने आप ही ऑटोमेशन पे चलता है, वहां से जो रेवेन्यू प्रोड्यूस होता है उसमें से आपको हिस्सा मिलता है. सो द टू मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एक्टिविटीज इन अ बिजनेस इज सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग. is sales and marketing. Sales and marketing, and these product owners, these trainers, these coaches, these internet marketers take help of operational level guys who help them to sell their product in the market. So to sell a product, you need emails, you need automation, you need to do copywriting. So all these person help take help of these managers, and these managers get their work completed from the tech persons. Okay, the problem is that those who are teaching you how to get clients online, they are teaching you this, that if you are a website builder, video editor, graphic designer, do this, do that, and you will have clients. Yes, it is simply true that you will have clients, but you will not make money. You will never be free. You have to go upward to make more and more money. So what is the solution? What is the solution? How do you move forward on this triangle? How do you move forward on this triangle and make money? What is the solution? What you need to do to sort this massive problem, or how do you make big money from clients? Aim at least 10 lakh per month. Aim at least 10 lakh per month, but start from 1 lakh consistently. So you need to become a rainmaker. You need to become a rainmaker. You need to become a rainmaker. The problem was that you are not a rainmaker, and the solution is that you need to become a rainmaker. Now, what is a rainmaker? So a rainmaker is a person who brings clients, who brings business, who brings sales to a company or to an entrepreneur like magic. So a rainmaker is a person, like there is a business here, there is a company here. So a rainmaker is a person who comes, who sees the activities of a business. Then this rainmaker apply his skills, his knowledge, his mindset, all his things, and then if they were making, let's say if they were selling like 100 product per month, then they will sell 1000 product per month. You can also say that is rainmaker a growth hacker? In a way, yes, a rainmaker is a growth hacker. And to become a growth hacker or to become a rainmaker, you have to become a funnel builder. In internet marketing space I am talking about. So to become a rainmaker, you need to become a funnel builder. So if you are in online space, in internet marketing space, the best skill you can learn is to become a funnel builder. In internet marketing space, funnel building is the highest money making skill. Highest money making skill, simply because you are the pilot of selling digital products. See, a graphic designer or video editor, website builder, email writer doesn't have sales activities in his hand. However, when a copywriter sends campaigns, like email marketing campaigns, he does make sales from there, but he doesn't own that product. Okay. However, copywriting is the beautiful beautiful skill which I teach. Okay. So if you want to make more money, you have to go from tech activities to lead activities. So you can make directly a jump here. You don't need to be here. However, it is recommended that you also go in this stage where you learn how to run ad, how to do ad copies, how to do copywriting, email marketing, and automation. Okay. So to become a funnel, when you become a funnel builder, you automatically move forward. If you don't have money to launch your own digital products, or if you don't have any idea to sell a digital product, at least you can help others to launch their funnels online. So the massive solution is that when you become a funnel builder, you automatically go upwards on triangle. You need to do rainmaker activities instead of tech or operational activities. However, at the same time, you need full-fledged team of operational and tech people. So what I am not saying, what I am saying is that it doesn't mean that you will ignore tech activities or you will ignore operational activities. You will need those people. Without them, you will never be able to successful. But now I have upgraded your mindset. I have made a shift in your personality, in your mindset, that where you are working hard is not simply your place. To work hard, you have to move forward, upward. You don't have, so those people who were teaching you to make money online via clients, they were taking you horizontally. I am taking you upwardly, vertically. That's the difference between their teaching and my teaching. Okay. So most importantly, you will have clarity. What skill is that? When you have tech skills, you can easily make 1 lakh rupees per month easily as a freelancer from your home. When you do operational activities like running other ad and those, you can make 3 to 4 lakh rupees per month easily as a freelancer. Even you only need only 1 or 2 person below you, you can make this much amount of money. However, if you need to make 10 lakh rupees per month, 15 lakh rupees per month, 20, 30, because then you will not make here. When you do money making activities, you do not make money per month. This is also a misconception in the market. When you are in tech, you make money per month. When you are in operational activities, you make money per month. But when you are in lead activities, you do not make money per month, but you make money per project. To make you understand this in a simple way, I was trying to use the example of money making activity per month. But now you have understood that when you are doing money making activities, you don't have to earn money per monthly, but via projects. Okay, so tech skills are here, then there are operational skills, and then there are entrepreneur skills. So funnel building is the skill of here in the green zone. Graphic designing, video editing, all the skills are here. Then ads and all copywriting are here. Okay, so you have to become the part of green circle, then the red circle. Okay, so even if they have 100 clients, they will never make more money than when they have only 5 clients. Okay, it is that simple, guys. So now, okay, so 3 principles of online growth you need to know. 3 principles of online growth, and these 3 principles will change your client's life for forever. You will never have to watch any kind of client's masterclass again. Okay, so as I told you in my presentation till now, that don't chase clients, chase profits. Second, master 3 ways of getting clients. However, there are 7 to 8 ways, but still I will talk about 3 ways how to get clients. Okay, remaining that is my paid membership, which you will have to take, in which I take totally offline session on clients. Totally, you come to Delhi or Mumbai, where I sit with where are 25 to 30 people, and I will be holding a full day session on how to bring clients. And third, chase 1 crore case study. Yes, this will be a 360 degree turnover in your life. Chase 360, chase 1 crore case study. We will talk about it. Okay, so now let's explore these 3 principles. First, don't chase clients, chase profits. Don't be in tech or operational zone, be in the entrepreneurial zone. The real money is only in producing revenue activities. So as I have told you that there are so many business activities, but to increase your profits, your money, to increase your income, you don't have to be in the tech zone or operational zone, whether you are super great in your skill. It doesn't matter whether whether you are a great driver or not. If you are driving a WagonR, you can never win with Ferrari. So you have to change your car. Okay, and the same driving skills of you which you were using to drive a Baleno or WagonR or Santro, you will be using to drive a Mercedes. So you have to change your shift. Okay, so funnel building is the way. Funnel building is the only skill which can give you this type of freedom, or this type of shift in your life. Okay, and the demand of this skill is increasing day by day. And let me also tell you, in India, please do not tell it to anybody. In India, there are only few agencies of funnel agency. By the way, I aim to build the India's #1 funnel building agency. Okay, so now master 3 ways of getting clients. So I will talk about a paid funnel, cold email, and direct pitch. The maximum clients which I have ever got for my client business is direct pitch. As I have told you till now, that you don't need hundreds of clients to run a successful online agency, or to, let's say, freelancer. Unless you do not have a corporate office, unless you have 30 to 50 people of team, then it becomes a big agency. Then you can have obviously 100 clients, 50 clients, because you will have so many team to work with you. But now in this masterclass, I am talking to those guys who have 5 5 people, 6 people, or 10 people in their team, or who are managing their work from houses, or they are just startup in agency or marketing business. Okay, and then create a powerful portfolio. Create a powerful portfolio in which there are at least 5 or 3 case studies which prove that you are number one, you are from the 1% of the achievers. Like you must have case study which has generated 50 lakh rupees in a funnel, 80 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees. I have 7 to 8 case studies like this. If you go to my website kabirnayak.in, you will find that I have clearly written there that I am the owner of 80 plus funnels, and in which 5 plus funnels have been of crores, 20 plus funnels have been of average, or good funnels, 30 plus funnels have been average, remaining funnels have been failures. That is the reality. If I have worked with 80 plus funnels, 5-6 funnels अच्छा काम किया, 5-6 फनल ने अच्छा करोड़ों रुपया कमाया वगैरह, 10 फनल ने नॉर्मल काम किया, 20 फनल ने एवरेज काम किया, और बाकी सब फेल हो गई. मैं कौन सा सचिन तेंदुलकर हूँ? आई एम जस्ट अ सिंपल मार्केटिंग मैन, बट with a different perspective, with a different mindset. Okay, I don't crave for money at all. I crave for more type, I crave for entrepreneurship. Okay, now third, chase 1 crore case study. Chase 1 crore case study. This will change your life. हो मजा आ जाएगा. ठीक है. So 3 प्रिंसिपल ऑनलाइन ग्रोथ, थोड़ा मैंने इनको एलाबरेट कर दिया, आगे चलते हैं. अब इनको एक शब्द में बताता हूँ आपको. सो 3 प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ऑनलाइन ग्रोथ सिंप्लीफाइड. ऑनलाइन ग्रोथ से मेरा मतलब है क्लाइंट्स की जोन में मैं केवल बात कर रहा हूँ, है ना, जो लोग ऑपरेशनल और टेक जोन में बात कर रहे हैं. सो डोंट चेस क्लाइंट, चेस प्रॉफिट्स. सो लर्न द आर्ट ऑफ ग्रैंड स्लैम ऑफर. लर्न द आर्ट ऑफ ग्रैंड स्लैम ऑफर. Master 3 ways. Obviously, if you have to close client, you have to find out the ways how to reach people and just close them using your closing skills. And third, chase 1 crore case study. Here you have to become performance based marketer. Performance based marketer. Nowadays this concept is very famous, is being very viral, called performance marketer. Same, you have to become performance marketer. However, when you become a funnel builder, you automatically become a performance marketer. Let's talk about the grand slam offer. What is a grand slam offer? A grand slam offer is an offer in which your client doesn't think too much before taking a decision. You will elaborate all the risk of your client, of your potential client, and that client can be a completely stranger. Why should that client trust you? However, if you have case studies, and case studies from the let's say from the those guys who have established their brands, like I have case study of Umair Qureshi, Mandeep Thind, Coach BSR. Now people trust me. But before that, what I used to do? So you have to provide a grand slam offer. And what is a grand slam offer? That if I bring X value in your business, you just pay me Y. If I bring 50,000 of revenue in your business or profit in your business, you just pay me 10,000 rupees. Okay. It's called performance based offer, grand slam offer, where your potential client cannot deny, because you are ready to take the risk. Also, he is also taking the risk when you are saying to him to run Facebook or Google ads. But this is how you will get the client. You have to take the entire different area or entire different let's say way to close client when you don't have big clients, or when you do not have a client at all. So I will bring this on the table and you pay me this much. And let me also tell you guys, this is how the business works, this is how the world works. If you cannot bring the value, you are not paid. Simple. Okay. Now grand slam offer is clear to you, that I will bring $2,000, you just pay me $500 from it. Second, now let's talk about the paid client funnel. So in the entire world, this is the only funnel, it's a paid funnel, which Sam Owens, or in India there are so many people, I don't want to name them, and like Todd Brown, Sam Owens, Todd Brown, Dan Henry, and those people whom I do not know at all, or even you don't know, there is only one single funnel which they apply, which I am telling you right now. You don't have to know about it again. It's a simple funnel, guys, that first you have to show people an ad where they know about you, it can be called as hook. Then you show them a video, it's also called video sales letter, when you are selling something from your video, but it will be only a 15 to 20 minutes of video or 25 minutes of video, where you will be talking about how your services have generated some kinds of results, or how your agency is different from others, or you can provide some real valuable information to the public, as I am providing you in this valuable training. It's called value video. It's called value video. In this video you have to provide the value to the strangers. So you have to attract, let's say, 10,000 people by investing let's say 20,000 rupees on Facebook or Google or YouTube ads. You pay 20,000, you get 10,000 clicks. Just taking an example. Then they saw the ad, they go to the VSL, they will go to first an opt-in page, then they will go to the value video, they complete the video, and then they apply for the call. It is as simple as that. Why are you fucking making it harder? So if you do not have any client, but if you have budget, you can simply run this funnel. However, when you run this funnel, you must have a proper case study. You must provide them value. Just say all those people are in the market are talking to you how to get clients. I am talking about in this fucking video that you don't need to chase clients. I am providing value because I have been working in this field for last 4 to 5 years and I know how this industry works. Okay, now let me also show you the mind map of this funnel. However, I know that you are समझदार और आपको ये बात समझ में आ गई होगी, लेकिन फिर भी let's go to the mind map. So it's a simple fucking funnel. Why are you making it harder? Okay. So paid client funnel. First you attract them via ad. Why? What's your grand slam offer? You can simply talk about in your Facebook ad copy, hey, I will bring 100 leads for you and you don't have to pay me if 100 leads are not there. Okay. It's a grand slam offer. It's a performance based offer. I will bring, let's say you're an SEO guy, guaranteed Google ranking within 3 months or you don't pay. Okay. Guaranteed Google rankings on front page or get 5,000 rupees in cash. Oh. See, in the real world, your skills, your performance must count. You can get work from your network, but ultimately you will be judged by your work. If you are let's take the example of Bollywood. Abhishek Bachchan or Arjun Kapoor, these are the kids of stars, or let's say like from the industry, but ultimately the industry is ruled by those people who are great at their work, at their craft. So at the same time I am talking about how to attract people, but ultimately it is your skill, your work and your performance which will be counted at the end of the day. So ads chalao, ads ke baad you bring them to an opt-in page. I will not show the live funnels because it will like I don't want to snatch this video. I didn't want to increase the length of this video. Then you bring them to an opt-in page where you can put an headline and just put a form there. By attracting them, you can just talk about the headline here. It will be an offer, then there will be a form, and then there will be a value video where you will be talking about your Grand Slam offer. It is the most important part of your entire funnel. It will be a 15 to 25 minutes of video, or it can be a case study. It can be a case study that how we invested 8 lakh rupees in Google Ads and we generated 80 lakh rupees by doing 11 workshop funnels. Simple case study it can be. Okay. And then call to action. Below the video, you can ask them to connect with you on a call, on Calendly, on Google Forms or simple type form. Okay, so here again I am talking about a simple mathematics. Like let's say you spend 20,000 rupees on ads. By spending 20,000 rupees on ads, you get 10,000 clicks. After getting 10,000 clicks, you get 10% conversion rate. That means you get 1,000 leads. Out of these 1,000 leads, 100 people complete your video. And out of these 100 people, you get 20 calls. And ultimately, out of those 20 calls, you get 4 clients. I have taken the minimum numbers. However, when you will have 100 like 20 calls, I am damn sure like you will close at least 10 to 10 people easily, because it has been my ratio. Like if I have gone to Zoom to meet 10 clients, so I have always closed 8 people. Okay, so that is our first way, sexy way of generating clients. Even if you do not have your account on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, doesn't matter at all. This work always, because this is the basic fundamental rule. So that was our first way. Let's go to our second way. Now let's talk about the second way. The second way is cold email campaigns. I know this process, but personally I have applied this very less. But still I know the process. That is why I am sharing it with you. See, I know 8 to 9 processes of getting clients, and all of them are proven process of getting clients. I have used all of them, but as I am saying from starting that I only need 5 clients to work better, because I have several other works also. So this work for me. Now, cold email campaign is the one of the best ways to get clients. One of the best. If you have team of 10 to 20 people or 50 people, or if you have resources to hire more people, like you want a proper full-fledged agency which is generating like crores of rupees, then this way will be beneficial for you. So these are the lead generating platforms where you generate leads, like D7 Lead Finder, Apollo, Lusha, LinkedIn Premium. I have also used LinkedIn Premium for a certain time. Okay, and now LinkedIn Premium is giving 30 days free trial, and when you complete 30 days, it also gives 30-day extra, because LinkedIn want that you go to LinkedIn Premium. And when you go to LinkedIn Premium, they will show you automatically leads there, and that list you can also download. There are ways to download the leads, and then you can connect with them. So when you are on LinkedIn Premium, you automatically get more reach, and you automatically get connect to those people like who are at the higher positions of their company, and then they also reply to your direct messages. Okay, when you are on LinkedIn Premium, it shows that you are a person of value. Okay, so D7 Lead Finder is the first way, or findthatlead.com. 2 websites I am telling you, on which you just have to go, type any niche in which you want to generate any leads. Okay, I will show you. Okay, this is D7 Lead Finder. This is very great website to find clients, because it is not necessary when you are a complete starter you will have leads. But as far as I have seen, like client work is very easy if you know how to bring leads and how to close them. So just come here and just put here like in which field you want to find leads. Like you want to find leads, let's say support sports coach, like you want to work with sports coaches. So let me like go business coach, life coach, let's say life coach. And let's say I want to work with Mumbai coaches. Mumbai, get leads. Now what this platform will do, within 3 to 4 minutes this platform will fetch all the list available on the internet. As far as I know, like it does the work it does is very good. This is a paid platform. You have to pay 1900 for this platform, and by paying 1900 rupees for this platform, uh, within I think within 30 days you can have almost like 8 to 10,000 list, or even more than that. Like if you have list of 10,000 people, or let's say 5,000 people, I'm very sure you can have easily 10 to 15 clients in your pocket. Now there are many ways to call them. The best way is to like email them, and the very best way is to call them down. And on call you will tell them, hey, we have sent you an email, can you please check it. Now there is an art of sending cold email. Okay, cold sending cold email is very big art, which I will teach you in my client attraction master class. You can also like email them, call them, and if they do not reply here, you can also approach them via social media, any like Instagram or Facebook. So what you need to do, the very first step is to connect with them. Let me also assure you, when these leads will come, you will see that almost 98 or 95% of their websites, of their funnels are not working good. because they are not concerned about it that much. These coaches work mostly used to work mostly offline, and now they only know that if they want to make money, they have to do online workshops or webinars in order to sell their programs. But what I see, if you tell them about funnels like book funnel, low ticket funnel, high ticket funnel, they get very excited about it, and then they get closed easily, very easily, and they pay you very good amount also. So only 50 seconds are remaining. So now guys, as you can see that we have a complete list of leads here, and like you cannot see these emails or these phone numbers, or you cannot reach these their Instagram or LinkedIn accounts from here. Okay, because you will have to buy their purchase or like paid plan. But as I said to you, like within 1900 rupees, the value which they are providing is very massive. And as you can see that, as you can see here, that almost we have got 478, like 8 leads we have got. And the ways which I will teach you to get close clients, I am very sure you will close easily 5, 10, 15 clients. Okay, 47 478 people are here. And similar, you can download the list in CSV or PDF or Excel sheet. And similarly, the way which I have showed you right now, similarly there is a way to download leads from LinkedIn also. Okay, we will talk about it that way in another session. Thank you. So as you have seen in the video that you will go to D7 lead finder or findthatlead.com, and you will generate the leads. After generating leads from there, so there used to be a software which I have used, which is called platform Brand Spark Leads. So this platform allowed people like us to send 5,000 emails in a day. 5,000 email in a day. Like you are a complete stranger and your email doesn't have that much like IP, like that much value, but still you you could have sent 5,000 people. And this guys has these people have closed their software in just this month. Like on 15th of July they are closing this software for forever. But you don't have to worry, you don't have to depend on this platform to generate leads, but you can generate leads from here. Let's say let's go to Lusha. This is Lusha, one of the best platforms. Second platform is Apollo. Lusha and Apollo are the same platforms where you get verified lead and phone number of any company. Let's say I am going to imagesbazaar.com, which is the website of Sandeep Maheshwari. Okay, and now I have to send email to this company for any kind of project. So I will just come here, I will click on the Lusha because I have added this in my Chrome extension. I will click here. Now this Lusha, what Lusha will do, this will show me the email of any top level people related to this company. So now Lusha is snatching the details of the company. Let it take the time. So now it is talking about the company, and popular employees Bindu Srinivasan, Abhishek Srivastav, Anuj. So let's say I have to contact like manager sales or production, assistant photographer. Let's say I want to contact manager sales. I will click here and I will click on show contact. I am having the direct email of this person, which will go to the work email of this company. Sometime Lusha also shows us the phone numbers. Okay, Apollo does the same work. Apollo and Lusha does the same work. They are the same platform. So this way of getting clients we use when we are contacting top level people. And I also teach in my classes how to craft a great cold email. And sending cold emailing is one of the beautiful arts. In that email we also add certain videos, testimonials. It is a long form email, but still it is one of the best ways to get email. Okay, or to get clients. I use this technique many time, and I have got always great results from this technique. When I send one to one, okay, when I send one to one, let's say like these days I am in contact with this girl called Neha Ranglani, and she is a verified Instagram like coach. So we will be sending her a proper high quality cold email. So this way which I am talking about is a way of sending high quality cold email. High quality cold email. Uh, I will not be able to show you those cold email here. You will have to come into my paid membership to look at those type of emails, but I always enjoy them. It takes 30 minutes or even 1 hour to prepare those kind of emails. It is one of the most beautiful arts which you can learn to generate leads online. So I have told you that Lusha and Apollo work same. These are the lead generator. I have told you about the D7 lead finder, and similarly this is the LinkedIn Premium, where you can download the details of those members also, and you can send them emails. Now, as I have told you that this Brand Spark used to help us to send 5,000 emails in a day. This is the Brand Spark, where they are talking about that they will be closing its door on 15 July 2022, but you can always send them emails from your very good email account, which must be having high value IP, or high, you must your email must be warmed up. Now, how do you warm up your email? There are ways of doing that. There is one website called warmupyouremail.com और your email, इस तरह का कुछ वेबसाइट है, warm up your email, where you can warm up your email, then you can send 10 or 15 or 20 emails. Okay, so when we used to send 5,000 emails in a day from Brand Spark, so the logic was that 100 people will reply me, and out of these 100 people 25 meetings I will be having, and out of these 25 people 7 to 8 or 4 people I will be having as clients. But you don't need to send 5,000 emails in one day. You can you need to be choosy. So the thing which I am teaching you in this way, second cold email campaign, that find great leads and then be choosy. So there will be two types of campaigns which you will be making here. First campaign would be where you will be sending emails to the one person only, है ना? You have chosen a company with which you want to work, then you will make a proper cold email for that one company. But when you will be working with D7 lead finder, then you will have to make an email campaign consisting of 3 to 4 or 7-day email series. It can be a 7-day email series, or it can be a 10-day email series, where you will be sending emails for 10 days, and from those 10 days the people will be replying you, okay, we are interested. Now what will you be writing in this list which you will be generating from D7 lead finder or find@lead.com? You will be talking about the Grand Slam offer. Hey, I am the Kabir Nayak from Madman Agency. We help these type of people. These are our case studies. We are finding clients. If you are interested, then you don't need to pay us. Only pay us after we have delivered the result. Okay, if you are interested, reply to this email. They will. Okay, here you play the numbers game with quantity. Here you play the quantity game when you are contacting the D7 lead finder leads. But when you are contacting with the Lusha leads or Apollo leads or some premium client, then you are playing the quality game. And to this day, if I have sent 100 quality emails, I have always got the reply of 98 emails. Okay, so be very choosy. You can apply both of the ways. I have told you. Woodpecker is also a good software to send emails. Okay, Woodpecker has good automation, then ConvertKit, and then Active Campaign when sending cold email campaigns. Okay, when sending to cold email campaigns. So what Woodpecker does, let's say you send so many emails from this account, but when you reply from your proper Active Campaign account or proper ConvertKit account. Okay, so never use your work email or your personal email for sending cold email campaigns. Keep your emails different. Okay, one which you use for your work. So this is how Woodpecker helps you. Okay, I am not going into nitty-gritty of these items deliberately, because these take paid membership. I am sure you are getting the real value, or you are getting the real logic behind it. Okay, Third is my most favorite way, and that is direct pitch. What is direct pitch? One way I have told you in the previous way, sending cold email to the person, and another way is sending them WhatsApp message or Instagram message. So I still remember to this date all of my leads which have come in 2020, like when lockdown was there, they all have come from Instagram. So I can say that Instagram has built my business. I can say that Instagram has built my business. Okay. So these are some of the screenshots which I have sent to my potential clients, and you can see how I am talking to them. So now you have seen the screenshots. Let me also show you like just today I have contacted a person. So as you can see here that I have written here, "Hi Deep sir, leaving my message below. My name is Kamir. I am a sales funnel builder. I am responsible." And then I have sent him some of my screenshots. Some of my screenshots I have sent him. You can see here some of my ad results also. And then in below I have just directly told him, I wanted to send you a proper email but couldn't find on your website. If you want to sell your courses who are interested in Zen Yoga spirituality, then we can help you to buy building proper sales funnel for you. I want to do a proper Zoom call with you, sir, just 15 minutes. I am sure I will not waste your time. It will be a productive call. Thanks. I will show my work on Zoom, and I can send it a proper email if you want. Okay, so this is the direct pitch, and I know that they will reply. They have seen my message. Okay, they have seen my message. These were the 3 ways which you can use to get clients. Clients are not hype. Kindly do not make them hype. Clients are not hype. Clients are easy, very easy. It totally depends on work. Like do work, provide people grand slam offer, work, performance based. Aim for 1 crore case study. When you get the clients, work hard day and night until you achieve massive results, great results. Once you have 3 to 4 great case studies, it becomes very easy, makhan, to bring clients, because your results, your belief will be like they will come on your face. Then you will have confidence and clarity. So the real entrepreneur will always recognize you from your voice, the way you behave, the way you talk, that this person knows the work, and I will give work to him. Okay. So third point of online sales growth: chase 1 crore case study. Only one way to do it: become a rainmaker, which means become a funnel builder, because only then and then you will have authority, power and budget to generate more money, and those produce money only make more money. So जो लोग पैसा कमाते हैं, पैसों के साथ खेलते हैं, वही लोग पैसा कमाते हैं, है ना. तो पैसे कमाने वाले सर्कल में आओ और पैसा कमाओ. ठीक है, मजदूरों के साथ रहो, मजदूर बन जाओ, और राजाओं के साथ रहो, राजा बन जाओ. ठीक है. So 3 things, 1 goal. So when you become a funnel builder, there are 3 things which you do. You run ads. That is like you play with the traffic. You do funnel hacking or product building, or you do copywriting, like offer building. You do these 3 things at the same time, and the result the only one goal is to bring sales. Traffic, funnel, copywriting, sales. So sales must come. So this is the triangle. To do everything, whatever it takes to make it. And then once you have the funnel building skill in your hand, once you have the skill, then your entire aim is to generate more and more sales, and to do whatever it takes to do it. Okay, whatever it takes to do it. That's how you become successful. So my 1 crore results and funnels. So these are some of my screenshots of my results. Obviously I won't show, and I don't want to show the names of my clients. It doesn't look nice, because many like 98% of my clients, or even 100% of my clients are from India. So due to the clients non-disclosure policy, we do not disclose clients' name publicly. However, you get exposure to those funnels and pages in my paid programs. Okay, I am sure you can understand it. Thank you so much for understanding me, guys. Now these are some of the screenshots of my results. Now you have understood the concept. I am sure I have given you value in the previous 40 minutes. Now I just want to talk about my funnel builder program. So it's an incredible program which I have built for you. It's an 8 week program in which it's a live training program, 8 week program in which we will teach you 8 high income skills and all these things you are getting. Okay, so first thing which you are getting in this program is offer building training. It will be an offline training and online training also. You will come to Delhi, you will sit with me in a room, we will sit from 10 a.m. to 5 a.m. we will be building offers, and before you build the digital product you have to learn how to build an offer. So funnel building starts from offer building. This is the last class which I take at the end of my program, that is on the 8th week. Okay, which you will learn client attraction and offline training. So the 3 ways I have showed you here, and the other 5 ways I will show you there. The how to do cold emailing, I will show you my cold emails, I will show you my proper cold email marketing, I will show you my like each and everything which I can. I will be completely transparent to you. Okay, so these two are the most important offline trainings I am giving you the opportunity. Then you will be learning 8 high income skills from me, like there will be funnel building training, copywriting training, and you will also get access to a pen drive in which there will be like more than 700 funnels of all those top marketers. So in this pen drive there will be 700 to 800 pages of top class funnels, like Dan Lok funnels, Dan Henry funnels, Peng Joon funnels, all type of funnels. And then I will also give you physical access. Like you will have 2 options to get into this program: physical access and digital access. So we have built 6 internet marketing books for you, like funnel building. So these will be 2 books. Like first it was only 1 book, but now these are 2 books: offer workbook and funnel workbook. We are still working on them. 2 of them are completed. So ultimate sales letters, in this workbook you will learn how to write ultimate sales letters. This will be your copywriting practice book. Client attraction and closing script you will get in this workbook. How to write great ad copies and the numbers game. You will improve your ad, whether it's a Google ad, YouTube ad, or Facebook ad. All those secrets you will get in this workbook. You will get email marketing, cold email marketing campaigns in this email workbook. And obviously you are getting access to my copywriting work which I have written for my clients. So this will be a like Moti book for you, Kabir copywriting work. Okay, so these are the 6 ebooks or books I am providing to you: offer building training, client attraction training, 6 internet marketing books, proper 8 weeks training, and you will also have support system with me. So guys, हमने आप लोगों के लिए एक ऐसा ऑनलाइन हेल्पिंग सिस्टम बनाया है जो इंडिया में पहली बार कोई व्यक्ति जो इंडिया में पहली बार कोई एंटरप्रेन्योर अपने क्लाइंट्स को और अपने स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प करने के लिए बना रहा है। तो मैंने आपके लिए एक ऑनलाइन सपोर्ट सिस्टम बनाया है हमने, जहां पे आप लोग अपनी स्किल्स को इंप्रूव करने के लिए और इस कोर्स में आगे बढ़ने के लिए यहाँ पे आप आओगे। यू विल क्लिक ऑन गेट हेल्प इन स्किल्स, यू विल put your email here, you will choose the product, and then you will choose where exactly are you getting the problem. आपको प्रॉब्लम कहां पर आ रही है? लाइक आपको क्लाइंट्स को कोल्ड ईमेलिंग सेंड करने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, आपको क्लाइंट्स को पिच करने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, या आपको प्रपोजल बिल्ड करने में आ रही है, जूम के ऊपर क्लाइंट को क्लोज करने में आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, कॉपी राइटिंग करने में आ रही है, सॉप ओपेरा ईमेल करने में आ रही है, या आपको फनल बिल्डिंग में आ रही है, कहां पे, या आपको ऑफर बिल्डिंग में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, ईमेल मार्केटिंग में कोई पेमेंट इशू है, या आप ऑटोमेशन नहीं कर पा रहे हो, टीम को हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहे हो। सो ये जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम्स है आप इसके ऊपर क्लिक करके then you can elaborate your problem here, and you can also share the screen of the screen recording of the problem, and definitely within 24 hours our team will help you, and or if they need, they will come on the Zoom, or they will give you support over the cell phone. Okay, so you have seen the video support how we are doing this. So this is an 8-week program. So if you are interested in this program, I am giving you option to contact with my team just by filling the form below. Go to the link right now, go to the button right now and fill the form below, and we will see you on the other side. Thank you so much. I will improve myself. I will improve my presentation. I will improve my vocal. I will improve my speaking, because I can sense it that I am not able to speak too much clearly. But thank you for jailing me. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for staying till here. If you want to comment like what can I improve, if you have the option of comment below this video, you can comment there, or you can just Instagram me, Kabir Naik official. Thank you so much.